So this hallway has done nothing for 5 years. 6 feet of wall, 1 coat hook, total waste of space. Today, it becomes a pantry. This video is sponsored by DIY Home Fix. While we had this wall open, we found some sketchy old wiring back there, so they sent to know that we touched anything else. Genuinely relieved we caught it. Links below if you want a walkthrough of your own place.
Open shelving on the long wall. Why is it so hot in here?
There's no insulation, Mara.
Cool, I'm fine.
You're holding it at an angle.
You said hold it like this.
That's fair. You said that during the fireplace video too.
You said that during the fireplace.
Because it's exactly that fine.
I styled it with glass jars and baskets. This wasn't a hard project, just a slow one. And I finally hung my Eat Me sign. You have to know what's safe behind that wall. That's the part nobody shows you.
Huge thanks to DIY Fix Electrical Help. Links in the description along with their giveaway. Next up, the laundry room nobody wants to talk about. See you in the next one.